Ever thought about the origin of doner kebab while ordering your food? Let's explain it in this video. The word kebab used in English originates from the Arabic word kabab, partly through Urdu, Persian, and Turkish, and the meaning of kebab is roasted meat. In Turkish, the word doner derives from dönmek, meaning to turn or to rotate. In the English term doner kebab, doner is borrowed from the Turkish doner kebab. Usually the Turkish letter "a" is anglicized as "o". Essentially, the Turkish name doner kebab translates to rotating roast. I hope that next time you order a doner kebab, it will taste great, and even better because now you know a little history behind it. Afiyet olsun.